It's a Dodge Grand Caravan. I have about 20,000 miles on it. I've been living in my place now for 4 years. I live alone, and I've made it work, and I'm kind of over it. I just want to do something different. So with the way my budget is set up, it's probably looking more like a minivan for the time being until I can save up enough to get what I really want. Basically, I have all day to play in this van with unlimited mileage. I can just about do whatever I want.
Wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follow. Taki taki, taki taki rumba.
Drive the truck, thank you. Jeez, why was that difficult? So welcome to Northeast Raleigh. Now I just gotta find a bloody place. Okay, so we're in the parking lot. It's somewhere in here. There it is. Suite 212.
Your destination is on the left.
Thank you. Yeah, 6 months of studying, and we'll see if it was all worth it. I'll be back in a little bit. So I promised you I'll show you the van. So let's go. As you can see, this thing is loaded. It's got every power option possible. Power windows, power locks, power seats, power doors, power tailgate, touchscreen, automatic climate control front and back, buttons up here that do stuff. Except for one thing, the antenna. This thing is still rocking the old school antenna. I'm not super picky about things like that or anything, but it's just, once you see it, you can't unsee it. But it's been a long day. It's about 9 o'clock at night. I'm in a random mall parking lot right now, and I'm going to go return this thing. So thanks for playing along, and thanks for all the support and positivity and everything from everybody about, you know, the GRE today. So yeah, I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.